This March, Edo State welcomes all 35 states and the FCT to the 20th National Sports Festival, EDO2020. Get ready for the greatest sporting event ever, hosted in Nigeria from the 22nd of March to the 1st of April, as over 10,000 athletes compete in 39 sports. His Excellency, President Muhammadu Buhari, will be present at the opening ceremony, hosted by His Excellency, Governor Godwin Obaseki, which is scheduled to take place at the newly refurbished Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium. Edo 2020 is brought to you by the Edo State Government in partnership with AMSTEL Malta, 33 Lager Beer, Axis Bank, Baba Ijebu, Airtel, Sterling Bank, Presco, GAC, and Okomu. Edo is ready.
And we say, come on, wherever you are coming from, welcome to Edo 2020.